Okay, this Husqvarna belongs to a neighbor, and he brought it to me because of grass blocking the deck chute. So enough to bog the motor down. It had a bar across there that was broke and sticking up, and it was trapping the grass. So we cut that out. We're gonna put a bar back there, I think. I don't like leaving it like that. This blade, you know, it wouldn't take much for it to contact that blade. But I got to noticing something else. I looked at this exhaust, and can you tell the difference in them? Why is that one so much darker? And it seemed like the engine RPM was low. So I got this kit for it. This little guy right here. And then I made a hack on that with this little device right here, little clamp. Now, I've swapped the coils because here's the deal. I put this clamp on and it had no RPM signal on this little guy. Went to the other side and I had a signal over here. So I switched the coils. And we're gonna crank it up and let you hear it a minute. No signal from the right hand side yet. So for less than $15, we can find out which cylinder it is. Of course, all we need to do is take a heat gun and shoot the exhaust, and you can tell the difference in the temperatures on them. That's another way. But this baby hasn't run on this cylinder in a while. See how much oil's burning off of that side that hadn't ran in a while? Thought you would like that.